I have this adhesive puck on my dashboard leather. This is a Porsche Cayenne. That's from the previous owner, so I'm gonna try to remove it and I'll show you how I do it. Looks good, and I got rid of this puck. Here's how I did it. I have a regular blow dryer, just a hair dryer. I have a little plastic scrapey thing that I got off Amazon for like $2. And in case I need it, I have some tape so that I could tape it to the puck and then lift. If you don't have a hair dryer, you can also do this on a warm day and just let it get hot in the sun. So I'm gonna turn this on to low heat. I'm just gonna do very, very little. And you could actually see from my angle that the adhesive is melting a little bit. So my first goal is gonna be to get this off, even if it leaves some adhesive, as long as it keeps the leather on. So I don't know if you can see that, but the adhesive is melting a little bit there. So I'm gonna continue this. Right now I'm just trying to pry up the edges just to get the adhesive a little bit warm. And I'm gonna push with just a little bit of pressure. I'm not pulling hard. You can see it's starting to come off a little bit. I'm gonna let it cool for a second. And then I'm gonna warm it up again. Basically what's happening is as it warms up, the glue is melting, literally. And then I'm just pushing. You don't want to go too hard here. Okay. It's about halfway off, and I'm gonna start lifting the rear a little bit, just so the seal breaks on that side. Okay, then I'm gonna continue the same thing. Okay, now towards the end, you don't want to just pull it off. You want to warm it up still. Okay, there's a tiny bit left now. Okay, we got it off without ripping the leather, which is great. There's definitely like a circular tan from this. So I'm gonna use some leather conditioner and try and see if I can make it blend a little bit more, but looks good, and I got rid of this puck.